0 to fluent. تعلم الإنجليزية من الصفر حتى الاحتراف. Internet terms مصطلحات الإنترنت. This video will help you understand common words we use online every day. هذا الفيديو سيساعدك على فهم الكلمات الشائعة التي نستخدمها يومياً على الإنترنت. Sign up or join now or register. Shared emails. Paid emails. Solo email. Payout and cash out. My inbox. Scum sites. Withdraw. Log in. Invest and deposit. Auto-suffing. Money doubler. My referral stats. Downline.
Redemption.
Members. Share.
Submit.
Random payout. Sign up bounce. My user info. Memo. Referral center. Upgrades available. My redemption area. I agree. Yes, I agree with terms. Confirmation email. Paid to click, PTC.
Points. Referral links. Earning stats.
My earnings or balance. Convert points. Buy and sell points.
Create an account.
Delete my account. Edit profile. Advertise, view ads. Minimum payout and maximum payout. Fund account. FAQ.